Hey, yo, what's up, y'all? So I just had to run downstairs to get my headphones, but this is Jimmy Dedications, and we are about to go over one of my Instagram posts. So a lot of y'all know on my Instagram, I post a motivational quote, a personal photo, and a stock photo. Like, and I take a break in between each one. So, boom, boom, boom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start going through my Instagram posts, and I'm gonna start going over them in person with y'all. Since a lot of y'all that do follow me are people that's on my Instagram, and people that's on my Instagram, they follow me for a lot of stock information. So yeah, let's get into it. Technical analysis is my favorite way of trading. Technical trading is a very broad description though, because there's so many different ways to trade off technical analysis. With technical analysis, you use the history of stock price to anticipate what it will do again. So say price kept bouncing at support, I expect for it to do it again. Indicators are also a form of technical analysis. Indicators tells you what the stock price doesn't. For example, my favorite indicator is the RSI, and it tells you when a stock is overbought or oversold. I like to buy stocks at support when they're oversold because the option for it to continue going down is minimal. And I actually got some photos in here to explain. So as we can tell, I don't know what this stock name is, but we can tell that this stock keeps forming a pattern. Right here, everything to the left is history in the past. Everything to the left happened before, like February 2021, and this one going back into 2020. So everything that's over on here is past. So what we're doing is we're using the past to predict what price will do again. This line right here is the RSI indicator. This line right here determines if something is overbought or oversold. So normally once it gets to the white line at the bottom, it start to bounce back up. So you see it did it right there, it bounced up. Set the white line again, it should bounce up. We also have another, what is this? I can't see it either. And I can't remember. I think it's Netflix. Let me see. I think it's Netflix. But here again, we have past history showing that price kept bouncing at this green line that we drew, and every time it gets to this yellow line, it tends to bounce up. So these indicators right here are tools that tell you what price is doing. These bars right here tell you how many shares are being traded per day. So you can tell right here a lot of shares was traded, what was brought. Right here, a lot of shares were sold. Right here is low. So this tell you how many shares and people was buying and selling in one day in your particular time frame. Uh, yeah, it's a lot of different ways to trade because look, I have three different setups on how I trade right now. If you don't know much about indicators, it might be kind of hard, but this is my first way of trading. I've been trading this way to day trade forex. So I watch Trading Rush a lot, and this is one of his strategies that he tested. He used the 200 EMA and the MACD. I just added the RSI in these. Let me turn this off. This very clean. This is simple and clean indicator, but I think it's like a 63% win rate that he tested it, and the win rate is higher. Well, the win rate varies if the market is trending or not because this is like a trend indicator. When it's trending, it works, but when it's not trending, it won't work. So you'll get some L's in between that. But this indicator mainly is for if it's in an uptrend and the MACD is below the zero level and it crosses as going up in the uptrend, then you buy. That's one way of technical trading. This is another way. This is what I learned from Aristotle. These indicators. You see, it's a lot more indicators on this chart. You got the MACD still, you got the RSI, you got them pivot points. Or is messier. It's probably like, bruh, I don't even want to deal with that shit. That shit too messy. But yeah, it's a lot of different ways to technical trade. Uh, the main thing is making sure you got one with a good win percentage and you have a good risk to reward. Uh, you're studying the history, so if history tells you, hey, bounce, 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 oh, it's gonna do it again. Uh, Indicators are a form of technical analysis. We looked at some indicators. Indicators tell you what the chart don't tell you. That's a pretty cool thing. The chart don't tell you when it's oversold or overbought, but the indicator will. So that's a good thing. Let's see. Yeah, the RSI is my favorite indicator. I like to buy at support because if it's already low and it's a good stock, you're getting it at a good value. Because we all know if you buy something that's cheap on Black Friday, if you buy a 50-inch TV on Black Friday, that's a good deal automatically. You bought a 50-inch TV for a big ass discount. So that's basically what I like to do with stocks when I buy them at support. Big ass discount on a good stock. But yeah, man, this goes over technical analysis and peace. Jimmy Dedications. I'm out.